Good day everyone! Today we will be teaching you how to compute grades through Microsoft Excel. So first, you need to open your Microsoft Excel and then put all the informations and data that you will need on Excel sheet, such as the criteria, which contains the written works, performance tasks, and quarterly exams. Don't forget to put the subjects, names, and also the quarters. After you type all the names, you can choose any color that you like for each criteria. Here, you can see how we designed the table and input each and every student's grade. After that, let's proceed on how to get the total sum. So first, you need to type equal sign sum in a cell followed by an opening parenthesis and to enter the formula range, which is called an argument or a piece of data that formula needs to run.
Type B3, column E3, then close parenthesis.
And then simply select the cell and drag it down to autofill.
And we can do the same other thing here to get the performance task total.
Now, I will show you how to get or compute the percentage. First, type in an equal sign, then an open parenthesis, equal sign, open parenthesis, F3 slash F3 close parenthesis. We then multiply it by 100.
Once it was solved, just drag the cell down to get the other percentage of the grades. And here, just use the same formula but replace the once used F3 to L3. And just do the same thing here.
For our initial grade, it's a bit tricky but simple. All we have to do is find the total percentage and multiply it by the written works, performance tasks, and quarterly assessments percentage. Now our formula will be equal sign, sum, open parenthesis, G3 times 0.4, and close parenthesis, plus, open parenthesis, M3 times 0.4 and close parenthesis, plus, open parenthesis, O3 times 0.2 and close parenthesis. And press enter. Just drag it down to autofill and we're done.
For the quarter grade, we can use the depth transmutation table that we can find on internet and find the initial grade that we got and its transmitted grade. We will find where our initial grade belongs, just like the initial grade of 90.48, which belongs to 90.40 to 91.99, transmitted to 94. 85.45 to 90, 94.90 to 96, 88.62 to 92, and 87.52 to 92. And that is all for our tutorial on how to compute grades on MS Excel. Thank you for watching.